Hi, Derek Cross here, Applications Engineer at Mechatronic Solutions. Today, we have the Omron V430 barcode reader. The V430 features best-in-class decoding for 1D, 2D, and direct part mark codes. Standard models have a read range of up to 300 millimeters, and long-range models have a range out to 1.5 meters. The V430 is an image-based reader with resolutions from 0.3 megapixels to 5 megapixels, each with multiple options for optics and built-in lightings in multiple colors to read codes in any environment. The V430 also features an auto exposure algorithm and optional liquid lens autofocus to drastically reduce setup time and improve reader performance. The V430 is a true industrial device featuring RS-232, TCP/IP, Ethernet IP, and Profinet communications. The reader requires no software download to program. Simply enter the IP address in Google Chrome to enter the WebLink programming interface.
The WebLink interface makes it easy to configure the V430 for nearly any reading application. Photometry settings like exposure time, gain percentage, and focal length can easily be modified by the user or automatically set by the reader. Many standard codes can be read straight out of the box, but the V430 can read a wide range of symbology types. 1D codes like interleave 2 of 5 or 128, 2D codes like data matrix and QR, and even both 1 and 2D codes marked on the part surface.
If you're interested in learning more about the Omron V430 or any other automation products, contact us here at Mechatronic Solutions. Thanks.